I was asked to reply to a comment. What do I think of people who refuse the vaccine, the COVID vaccine? I've been hurt by the Pfizer vaccine. I have CIDP, chronic inflammation demyelation polyneuropathy. It's changed my life completely. If I had to do it all over again, I would have never got the vaccine. I do work in healthcare, so I do work with patients. So where I work, we were told, if you get the vaccine, you'll save lives, you won't get sick, you won't die. The media was saying the same thing. So I believed it. My friends that didn't get the vaccine, I thought, how could you not get it? You're going to go home. What if you have it, you don't know it, and you give it to your family members? The worst case scenarios were playing out in my head because of what I was seeing inside the facility. We would have cookouts and things like that with my friends. I had a lot of friends that are unvaccinated and they still aren't vaccinated. We'd have cookouts, and at first I was scared to go there because I thought, oh my gosh, what if they're spreading COVID? It was like the dumbest thing I've ever thought of now that I think of it. And once I started hanging out with them and things, they weren't getting sick. And the ones that did get sick, they got COVID lightly, they were back on their way. I had already gotten my vaccine. I had already started having issues and seeing a neurologist. I totally have changed my mind. They were the smart ones. They were the ones that didn't wear the masks. They were the ones that hung around each other and never caught it, never spread it. Some of the ones did get vaccinated because of their jobs. But the ones that aren't, I totally commend you, and I wish I was one of you. I think very highly of you. And I'm upset with myself. No job is worth it. No job. So, there's my answer.